So today we're going to be doing a review of the Pasotim stabilizers. As you can see, it's wholly Panda themed with the gold wire, so it has the salmon colored stem with the white, the somewhat off-white, and yes, I did put my own lube in there and wholly modded it. So let's hear how it sounds. As you can hear, sound is somewhat inconsistent, but is still very pleasant sounding, especially with the holy mod and the lube. So anyways, I'll leave the link to the stabilizers in the description, and you can go check them out.